Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from Cinema Sound. Today we're going to be doing a deep dive into the English horn, which is an instrument that we just don't use that much anymore in scores, which is too bad because it adds an emotional element to audiences' feelings that nothing else can. Let's roll. We're here in Logic Pro and I'm looking at the Vienna Instruments English horn. You know, English horn is just, there's nothing like it, and it's been around a long time, and I'm sad that we just don't use it that often. Here's what it sounds like in its deep lower register. You know, for the old song. From Peter and the Wolf, of course. So where else can we use it? Well, in the higher register, it's really beautiful up there. And it doesn't go as high as an oboe, but it also goes way lower to get those richer tones. And it just has this, you know, longing. It's not hope like a flute or like an oboe even. It just has a longing, wishing for something emotionally. And if you add it to a drone of some kind, or even any kind of beautiful harmony, it really adds a longing and wistfulness, remembrance, even legacy, if you can, to an emotional feel. Let's check it out. It's just beautiful. And of course, you can do a positive as well. Really, really lovely. And I invite you to take a look at how the English horn can add something, even counter melody-wise, with one of the other woodwinds. You know, woodwinds, we just don't use them anymore. We think they're just comedy, which, you know, you can do comedy with English horn, no problem. Let's see here. If you have a bunch of them. But, you know, woodwinds, they're just underrated because they think, oh, that's just comedy music. But so much more passion is available, especially from the English horn. Hopefully this has been helpful for you, learning about the English horn. If so, please subscribe to this channel, and please come visit us at cinemasound.com, where we have the world's only fully comprehensive education to get you the secrets to the kingdom of Hollywood on how to get Hollywood immersion into your productions in only a few hours. And we have hundreds and hundreds of blog posts and all kinds of other videos there as well. Please come visit us at cinemasound.com and subscribe here. Until then, we'll see you in post.
Even if you're stuck.